Get a fully ripe sugar watermelon, cut it and take out its seeds. Wash the seeds and dry in shade. Discard white seeds, as they are immature seeds. Start germinating seeds in late winter indoors or early spring. Soak the seeds in water for 12 hours and throw away any floating seeds. Plant the seeds in a small pot about 1 centimeter deep and water well. Keep the pot at a warm place or indoors. The seed may take a few days to germinate, depending on temperature. Transplant the seedling when the plant grows 2 to 3 sets of leaves. Take a pot about 15-inch wide having several holes at its bottoms to drain excess water. Too much water or standing water in soil will kill the plant. Fill the pot with a well-draining nutrition-rich soil. Use a mixture of 70% potting mix, 10% river sand and 20% compost or aged cow manure. The river sand makes the soil free draining while manure adds the nutrition to the soil. Carefully take out the seedling and plant in the pot and water well. Place the pot in sunny location where it receives at least 8 hours of direct sunlight. You can move the pot in sun if you do not get enough sunlight at one place. Watermelons will stop growing below 18 degrees Celsius. Water the sugar watermelon plant consistently, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. You may need to water daily during hot days. Too much or too little water will stop growing your watermelon plant. Allow the top 1 inch of soil to dry between watering. Insert your finger in the soil to check the soil. Give the watermelon plants plenty of water to grow the largest, sweetest, and juiciest fruit. However, don't overwater. Put a thick layer of sugarcane mulch on the soil to conserve moisture and prevent weeds. Put a trellis to climb your baby watermelon vine to utilize the unused vertical area. Otherwise, place the pot at some height so that the vine can hang down or just allow the vine to grow on ground. Add lots of compost in the soil to add micronutrients. When plant is young, use a general-purpose balanced fertilizer. Start feeding a fertilizer low in nitrogen and high in potassium and phosphorus when the plant begins flowering. Excessive nitrogen will result in foliage growth with no fruits. Sprinkle fertilizer along the rim of the plant away from the main plant to avoid burning of the vine. Mix the fertilizer in the soil. You can mix some bone meal to add phosphorus. Water well after fertilization so that the roots easily absorb the nutrients. I also feed a liquid seaweed or power feed fertilizer every 2 weeks when the flowers first emerge till the fruit is ready for pickup. The watermelon vines are susceptible to aphids, grasshoppers, beetles, leaf miner flies and powdery mildew and fungal diseases. Spray dilute neem oil to treat the insect problems. Mix 1 milliliter neem oil and a few drops of liquid dishwashing soap in 1 liter water and spray on both sides of the leaves. To prevent any fungal disease, do not water over the leaves. Use a fungicide to control fungal disease. Correct pruning makes vine healthier and increases fruit size. Pinch out the growing tip when the new plant has 5 or 6 leaves to encourage the growth of side shoots. Remove the imperfect melons or rotting melons so that the plant can put its energy to grow bigger melons. The sugar baby watermelon vine will flower after 1 month of planting. The vine grows both the male and female flowers which are pollinated by bees, so only 1 plant will produce fruits. The female flowers have a small round ball attached below the flower. If there are no bees in your area, then you can hand pollinate the flowers. Use a small paintbrush and collect pollens from the male flowers and rub in the female flowers. Once pollinated, the small watermelon will grow into a full-size watermelon in about 5 weeks. You can expect 2 to 3 fruits in a vine. Watermelons do not ripen after they are picked, so it is important to keep them on the tree until they are ripe. So it is important to pick the fruit at the correct stage. So when to pick the baby watermelon? Look at the point where the fruit is attached to the vine. Green color means the fruit is not yet ripe. Pick the melon when the attachment point begins to turn brown and dry. Now let us cut this melon and see if it is ripe. Its color is deep red, so it is fully ripe and sweet. To improve the taste of your watermelon, add bone meal and Epsom salt to the soil 2 to 3 times during the growing season. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos. Thanks for watching.